So what we have here is my Samsung Galaxy Fold 3, and I got my daughter the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3, and we both had these phones for about a year now, but somewhere close to 6 months into it, maybe a little less, we both developed blistering on the screen protector on the inside screen. Yeah, this is hers, and as you can see, hers got kind of stiff and more whitish, whereas mine's clear, but my bubbling is a lot bigger. So today, we're gonna peel off both, and well, I'm gonna peel off both and see if we have any issues with them at all. And I'm just getting a fingernail under here where the blister was, starting at a corner and peeling it back nice and slow. The reason I'm taking it off is I got trash, as I pointed out, at least an inch and a half underneath the screen protector, and I was afraid it was going to damage my screen more so than protect it. So there it is. You can see some of the trash in it that's stuck in the adhesive. That's it I'm pointing to right now. And now I'm going to peel my daughter's off. She has a lot more fingerprints and things on hers. As you can see, I'm doing the very same technique. I'm trying to pick the sides where it's already lifted up, and I can just take a fingernail where the blistering was, just run it down to the end and grab it by the edge, and it comes off beautifully. Now with hers, some of her adhesive actually stuck to the screen right there at the crease, and as you can see by the white markings, but there's no damage to the screen. It's just going to take me a little bit of effort to get that off. A little bit of alcohol-based screen cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and it will come off. And I do normally take a soft microfiber cloth and wipe the fingerprints off my screen. I don't apply any pressure, and usually this is just to get the dust off. It's a microfiber rag we only clean our screens with, and it's put away until we need to clean again. You can see the screen's still responsive and pretty speedy. And this is the S Pen that's made for it, and it works just as well. I have no fear of scratching my screen with my S Pen, and I use my S Pen on a daily. And that's about it. If you like my video, let me know, and subscribe. Of course, I'm new at this, but I like to do things myself, and there'll be quite a few things on here that I do myself. And Sometimes if you want it done right, you know the rest. Thanks. So if I have any issues, I'll do a follow-up video and let everyone know what the issues were, but I don't suspect I'm going to have any issues. Everything seems to work flawlessly, and my daughter actually says that her phone opens and closes better, as does mine, and I don't have any problems with the center not being able to touch the center of the phone and select things or tap on things, which I did, and she did also, before we removed the screen protectors. So all in all, I think it was a pretty good decision. It's my decision, so it's totally up to you. And I don't think it's going to cause any issues, but leave a comment, let me know, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.